Hello everyone, a very good morning to you all. Welcome to the drawing class. So, how's it all? I hope you all are doing good at your place. So today we are going to make a shading drawing. Similarly as we have made this earlier. And really I'm really glad to see that you all made really beautiful drawing. You all made this picture really beautifully. So okay, so are you ready to take a step further? So, today what we are going to do is, first we are going to make a picture like this, step by step, and then we are going to color it black as this picture. See, how's it? Is it beautiful? Yes, it really is. So, today we are going to make this drawing. Okay? Actually, this is very easy, as once you made this step by step as I have told you, and we made it in the Zoom class too. So what next you have to do is you have to just do it, make the outline of the picture black and color black, fill it with black color. Okay, then next we have to just make portions. We have to divide the page in circular form and just use four colors for shading. Okay, so the picture will look like this. So let's see how we have to make it and make it step by step. Okay, so take a new page, make the outer boundaries, and then make a line of 16 centimeter, mark a line of 4 centimeter, then 5.5 centimeter, then at 10 centimeter, and then at last at 16 centimeter. Okay, till here you have to do. Now next I am going to tell you what next we are going to do. Okay, so we are going to make this picture. So first what we have to do is we have to make a circular shape from this line. 4 centimeter one line, we have to make a circle, then we have to make 1, 2, 3 small leaf like shape. Then next what we have to do is we have to make another circle. Okay, then we have to mark 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then join this and 2 we get, then one more line and join it with the bottom point of the second circle line. Okay, so join it, then what we get is this shape. Okay, just don't see the whole picture, just go step by step as I am telling you. Okay, so next what we are going to do is first we are going to make this side. Okay, so one small curve, then another curve somewhat big. Okay, then 1 and 2 curve it, bring it this way, 1 and 2 curve it. Okay, this way you have to make it. Okay, what next we are going to do is we are going to make this side now. So curve one curve, then the line which you made here, second curve will end, small curve, second curve is the smaller one. Okay, then 3, just bring it somewhat outward, and 3. Okay, then this way, this way, 4. Now just make a circular shape here. Okay, then what we are going to do is we are going to make a line and give it a shape of hand. Okay, till here we have made. Okay, now next what we are going to do is we are going to make two parallel lines, 1, 2, and going to make a circle at the end. Then two drop like shape, small drop like shape, 1, 2. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth one should be somewhat like this. Okay. So make it. Now next what we are going to do is we are going to bring it downwards. Just curve it from here. It should not be like this. This is wrong. Okay. So just curve it from here and bring it down. And you have to bring the lines in this way. Okay. Body ka shape is like this, not this. Okay. So bring it inward from here also. Bring it inward. And here you are going to bring it till this line. 10 centimeter one line. Okay. And from here you are going to bring it somewhat more, extend it somewhat more. Then what next we are going to do is we are just going to bring this outward. Then one, then move your hand. It should not be straight. Okay. It's the dhoti dress. Okay. You have seen Krishna ji's photo. It's all he always wear dhoti. So it's not straight. You can't make it a line. Okay. You have to make it this way. This way. Okay. Now what next? Just make this and this way. This way you have to bring it. Again it shouldn't be straight. Okay, like this you have to make. And here what you have to do is you have to bring it down and 1 and then 2. Okay, 2. Then join this line here. Okay, then just see the lines. How you have to make 1, 2 from this one, 1, 2. Then roughly make it 1 and 2. Okay, then you are going to erase this and 1, 2. Then you are going to make the leg 1 foot, 2 and 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2. This way you are going to make the foot. Okay. At the last what you have to do is you have to make this 1, 2 and 1, 2. Okay. Then 1, 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And at the last you are going to make this 1, 2. And this way you are going to make this picture. Okay, if you find that there is something which is not looking nice or which is not perfect, then what you can do is you can erase it off and again give it a shape which you find is correct. Okay, अगर आपका कहीं से shape proper नहीं हो रहा है, then you can erase it and give the shape again. Okay, so this way you have to make a picture. And then what you are going to do is take a black pen or a black sketch and make the outline of this picture and fill black color in whole picture. For example, see this picture. Here also I have done the same thing. You also have to do the same thing. You have to color the picture black. This you don't have to make. I'll tell you what next we are going to make. Okay, we are going to fill the black color. Okay, so let's do it. So we are going to erase all the extra lines. first we are going to make the outline. Okay, I am using black pen because sketch is quite thick, and it can spoil the image. So first make the outline with black pen, then fill the color with black sketch pen. Okay, so let's do it now. So here, as you can see, I have filled the black color in this picture. Now next what we are going to do is we are going to take pencil colors. Okay, we are just going to take pencil colors of 3 color. How many colors? 3. You can take more, you can take another, you can take other colors than me, but do remember what all we need to do is what all colors we should take, they all should be in contrast. Okay, it shouldn't be like they don't match with each other. And always use, you have to take okay, so you can choose any colors. As you know, we are having different shades of red and pink, then blue. In your pencil colors, you have different shades of blue, then you have shade of green too. But I am taking this time white, then yellow, then I am going to take this orange, and then red. Okay, so if you want to make similar picture as mine, so you also take these 4 colors. Okay, that I have taken. So now what next we are going to do is, first we'll make circles. Okay, again I'm using pencil for that, but remember we have to use light pencil as we are going to erase the lines. Okay, so let's do it. So here I made the line. As you can see, this one is my white portion, then I'll use yellow, then I'll use orange, and at last I'll use red color. Okay, so let's see how we have to use them. First of all, we are going to use white. Okay, but as we know, we have to use white only in this area. So what we can do is we can take yellow first. Okay, so जो ये white का end वाला line होगा ना, you have to just make it with yellow. Okay, and erase the pencil one line, then again with orange and erase the pencil one line, then similarly with red and erase the line. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so this way you are going to make the lines and darken them. Okay, so next what we are going to do is, first we are going to darken all the lines. Okay, then we are going to give shade, but today the shade in different way. Okay, last time we did darker from here, then lighter, and then just the lightest part. But today what we are going to do is darker, then light, and then lighter. Okay, then similarly from here this line will be dark, then lighter, orange, lighter orange, and then lightest orange. Similarly red, but red mein you have to give very less shade, you can say, because when you are going to give the darker shade, only some space would be left over there. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so here my picture is complete. See how I have done the shading part. First I have done this way vertically. Okay, then from here I have done circular shaped. Okay, so similarly you also have to do the shading part and complete the picture. Okay, till here I told you how to make the picture step by step, then I told you how to do the partition of the page, and last you know how to do the shading. I have told it earlier also how you have to shade the page. Similarly you have to shade the page and your picture would look like this. Okay, so make it fast and share it with us.